I'm doing a follow-up video. I did a video prior to this on installing the electric fan on the Cushman Truckster 4-wheel. Let me show you the machine first. This is the machine. This is the motor. You can see it smoking a little bit because I just had it running. And the problem I'm having, as you can guess, is it keeps overheating and running hot. Now, this is pretty popular with these machines. One thing I did notice was, now this machine's been sitting a while. When I ran power directly to this fan, well actually this is the fan I just put in. I had another fan. When I ran power to it, it did not turn on. So I had a spare fan. I ripped that fan out, put this one in. This fan works. So when I had the other fan up on the bench, I ran power to it and it still didn't get power. And then the little adapter that goes to it, it's back here. Let me turn the light on. Right down here, behind the passenger seat. I cleaned those terminals up on there, and the fan fired right up on the one I took out. So it wasn't the actual fan. I didn't need to replace it. These terminals were corroded. Now, I only cleaned the one side of this wire coming in though. This is coming from the fan. And you have this that goes up, and that's going to go to your temperature sensor. Alright. But I only cleaned this side because it was all corroded, and then I connected it back up. And I started it up, and this fan did not turn on. So, as the machine was running, I came back here, and I started playing with the other side of this connector, and wiggling it, and lo and behold, the fan turned on. So, I'm going to have to take this clip off, and now clean this side of the terminal. Either A, the wires are loose, or B, this side is corroded as well. And I'm glad I checked that because I was about to start ripping out the temperature sensor and ordering a thermostat and doing a whole bunch of other stuff. So before you go changing a whole bunch of stuff and getting frustrated and ripping fans out and changing sensors and thermostats, just take a little bit of extra time. Unplug all your connections, clean them up, and make sure that they're not corroded. Alright, hopefully this helps. I will see you next time.